Escobar for the state of Texas.
For the defense?
I'm assuming.
All right. And are you Mr. Cavazos?
Sure.
All right. You entered a plea of guilty on September 6th. According to the plea bargaining agreement, the state is proceeding on paragraph B. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 15 years. The state is opposing your applications, and they're taking several cases into consideration. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report, state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
All right. Any objections, state?
No objections. Yes,
Defense?
No.
Any witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. Just one.
All right. Bring them forward.
State House Michael Martinez.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. State.
Mr. Martinez, how do you know the defendant in this case? At the time.
Okay, can you make sure you speak up so I can hear?
You're gonna have to repeat all of that.
Sorry, my voice is being so that so this is cool.
Okay.
I know him by the neighbor. He wasn't my neighbor's boyfriend. We didn't pay attention to the pics. He had burglary at home. We found the camera.
And when did this occur?
December 19th.
And what did he burgle? What did he take?
PS4, V4 presents, and then our big fast screen TV.
And were any of these items meant as gifts for Christmas? Were any of these items supposed to be gifts for Christmas?
Yes.
And when you found out that he had entered your home, what did you do?
I got home and lowered the TV against me. From there, I called the cops.
Did you end up staying at that home after
Goes to
that?
Mr. Hiller. Thank you.
No.
Where did you end up staying?
I think that was staying at my sister's house.
And why were you having to stay there?
Well, protecting my kids and they did that.
How many people reside in your home?
4.
Who are they?
Oh, my wife, me, and my 2 kids, my daughters.
How old are they?
9 and 11.
How did this affect your family that Christmas?
Oh, I'm afraid. Very degrees.
And has it still affected them to this day? Past ones.
No questions.
All right. Thank you so much for coming in. All right. Any other witnesses?
No.
Defense, any witnesses?
Yes, I called the wife.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record. Defense?
Can you please state how you know my client and how long you have known him, in what capacity?
I've known him for about 8.5.
Okay. So everyone needs to speak up so the court reporter can hear.
I've known him about 1.5 years already.
And who are you to him? And at this point, do you know what he's charged with, the various charges?
Burglary.
And do you know some other charges as well that were taken part of the plea bargain? Okay. Do you know anything about his past?
He set it up against him.
Okay. Do you know anything about his substance abuse issues? Does he need outpatient treatment? Does he inpatient treatment, if you know?
No.
And at this point, do you know that this court is about to decide between probation and between prison up to maybe 15 years? What are your wishes?
For him to come out
And stay where?
with me.
And is anyone in your household on felony probation? Has a felony passed? So you both would have to ask the court for permission to stay with each other?
Yes.
And What are you on probation for?
Drug possession with intent to deliver.
Out of what court? And at this point, who else lives in the household?
Just me and my 12-year-old.
I can't even hear. You and who else lives there?
Me and my 12-year-old.
All right, thank you.
And if given a chance with probation, do you know whether he ever was on probation?
Not that I know.
How long have you been on probation?
It's 2018.
Okay, so you have been doing good on probation? And you don't think that he may be a danger to your success on probation?
No.
Okay. And does he have any kind of job prospect that you know?
No.
Okay. But do you think he's going to find a job? In the last year,
A
did you?
burglary case is about to take an unexpected turn. What starts as a routine sentencing quickly becomes a much bigger conversation about accountability, parenting, and public safety. Keep an eye on the judge, because she's about to ask one question that completely changes the direction of this hearing.
In the last year that you knew him, did he ever work legally?
I here and there.
In the last year, he picked up various felonies. Why do you think this court should trust him now not to pick up any more felonies?
The thing with that is that I'm allowing him to come with me so I can help him out. Like, I want him to do better. And I know he can if he with me.
And are you aware that he has another 4 children to provide for? And do you know whether he has been providing last year, in addition to your child, for his children as well? Has he?
Or a baby, yes.
And what about his other 3 children?
I don't know.
Okay, I pass the witness.
Just a few questions. So you were been dating him for about a year and a half, right? You're aware that this offense occurred in December of 2021.
Yes.
And it was alleged that he committed it with a woman by the name of April Zuniga. Are you aware of that?
No.
Do you know who April Zuniga is? Ask one.
All right, I have a question if there's no objection.
No objection from the state?
All right. Someone in your home around your 12-year-old daughter, and it appears you know absolutely nothing about him. That's my question.
I think it's changed.
Based upon what? What has he done to show you that he's changed? He's been at the Bexar County Jail.
Yeah, I talk to him every day. We talk about what we're going to do.
And does your 12-year-old met him?
No.
So have you even inquired of her whether or not she wants this stranger living with you all?
Yeah, she talks here and there.
What does that mean? She talks to him here and there.
So she puts on my phone and they'll talk here and there.
So you're letting your 12-year-old speak to someone at the Bexar County Jail and you don't even know his criminal history. Any other questions?
Nothing else?
All right. Thank you. And probation?
Yes, sir.
With regards to that witness who just testified who's on probation out at this court, I want her name. I want to make sure that somebody's visiting her and making sure that her 12-year-old is protected from her making decisions with people she know nothing about.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there any argument?
Yes, Your Honor, brief argument. So from the defendant's criminal history, he's been put on probation for a misdemeanor case at least 5 times in the last decade. Each one of them ended in rehabilitation. He's also been put on felony supervision twice within the last 10 years. Again, both times were revoked. He was sent to either the state jail facilities or the TTC. Again, he's already been convicted of robbery previously. This is an escalation now, where now it's not just people that are random or that he had no idea who they were. These were someone that were his girlfriend's neighbors. He knew who they were. He targeted them specifically. Again, the state's asking for you to follow the agreement, go to the maximum of the cap, and since the defendant for 15 years CDC.
Defense.
Respectfully, as documented in the PSI report, he does have, at the time of the various offenses that we are here for, he did have a lot of meth and a lot of other substances in his body. And I'm not making excuses, obviously, but maybe that's, he was looking for help. And at this point, obviously he didn't get help before. Why do we continue the cycle? Yeah, send him away and he comes out, nothing happens.
Okay.
Why not give him?
All right, Mr. Cavazos, I'm going to help you stop the cycle, okay? I'm finding you guilty. I'm taking in consideration 2020 CR 6690, 2022 CR 6691. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent, sentencing you to 15 years in the prison, giving you credit for any time served. I'll ask for the therapeutic community that will help you with any drug issues you may have. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right, good luck to you. Court is calling 2022 CR 8644, State of Texas versus Devon Ramirez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state, for the defense?
John Sheffield, Your Honor.
And are you Devon Ramirez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ramirez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramirez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramirez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state recommends deferred adjudication. They are taken in consideration County Court Cause number 686014, 687835, grand jury number 763047. There's to be no contact with any Best Western, Markson, Markson apartments at 510 Alamento Street, San Antonio, Texas 78212. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, sir.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a
This
TAPI.
is where sentencing hearings become far more than just deciding prison time. The judge isn't only evaluating the defendant anymore. She's evaluating the environment he'd return to. In criminal court, a proposed home can make or break a request for probation. And what this witness is about to reveal raises some serious red
For a
flags.
term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, and the MIC-MILF evaluation. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
The intent of the offense is charged in the indictment. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
Yes, Judge, States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection, Your
Excuse me. She has a 2 on it.
Honor.
That's presiding. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we just ask court all the recommendations.
All right, Mr. Ramirez, do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right, how far did you go in school?
11.
All right, why didn't you graduate?
I haven't went back.
Why not?
My counselor had told me that I need to go back.
All right, and which counselor? Is this the counselor for other issues?
No, for school.
Oh, okay. So who would you be living with if you were released from custody?
My sister.
All right, does your sister want you living with her?
Yes, she said that we're gonna talk about it.
Okay, so we're going to talk about it. That's not a firm yes. So if you're not allowed to live with your sister, where are you going to be staying?
With my grandma.
Does your grandmother want you living with her?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you talked to her and asked her?
I haven't talked to her, but she don't mind.
He's lived there previously.
Okay. Are you employed before you were picked up?
No, ma'am.
So how do you support yourself?
I mean, at the time I was looking for a job.
All right. So when's the last time you had employment?
It's been a while.
Is there a reason that you don't have employment or you haven't had employment for a while?
No, ma'am.
So how are you supporting yourself?
I work with my dad from time to time.
So why are you not requesting to stay with your father?
My dad, I don't like to ask him for anything like that.
So you prefer to ask your grandmother,
Yes, ma'am.
but isn't your grandmother elderly?
Yeah, she's elderly.
And is she on a fixed income?
I'm not too sure.
Well, I'm sure she doesn't want to support a grown male or a grown person.
I understand.
Grandmothers at this stage in their life, the only thing they're supposed to be concerned about is spoiling their grandchildren and just enjoying their life, not taking on other mouths to feed that are adults. You understand?
I understand.
All right, I'm not letting him live with his grandmother.
Yeah.
So you're going to have to live with somebody other than your grandmother. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In this court, if you're an adult and you can get a job, you're going to have to get a job. Nobody else should be supporting you. You're not a child. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your grandmother's name?
Lucy
Lucy what?
Ramirez.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. Take in consideration County Court cause number 686014, 687835, grand jury number 763047. No contact with any Best Western. and the Markson Apartments. There's to be proof of employment or SSI within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. MIC evaluation, and that can be done out of custody. How much time is it for in custody?
Your Honor, I have to check into that.
All right, if MIC evaluation is past 2 weeks, then he's to do it out of custody. If you don't follow up on your MIC evaluation, what's going to happen is a warrant will be issued for your arrest, and your MIC evaluation may take place at the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Why did it say that some unsupervised with children or something like that?
Yes, because you have this case. There are obviously issues going on because they're asking for a MIC mouth evaluation. This is a drug case. According to the police report, you were very high when they made contact with you. So that's the type of person who should not have unsupervised contact with minors, because you would not be a good babysitter.
No problem.
And if anybody were to make you a babysitter in your current condition, I would have questions about their parenting skills. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So MIC evaluation out of custody if it's beyond 2 weeks. I'm going to want field visits 2 times per week. I'm sorry, 2 times per month. And that's until he is on the MIC caseload. There's to be no residing with Lucy Ramirez. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, and regular UAs. Probation, is there anything else that he needs?
No, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, let's do a TAP evaluation as well and follow the TAP recommendations. If the TAP asks for inpatient treatment, just do intensive outpatient treatment.